Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen, I still think this is extremely clearly an ABC correction for wave 4 that we're in right now. And eventually I think we're going to go up and make a wave 5 to complete this very, very clear 5-way pattern on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the weekly, I think that this is already a wave A. I think it's already a wave B, and I think we're personally already going down for a wave C. Most wave Cs do take out the low of wave A, so I'm definitely still pretty bearish, at least on these higher time frames. Heading down to the daily, now we definitely have been going up, and we definitely do have some higher lows, so I mean, you definitely could be looking for longs on sort of time frames. But while you're looking for longs, you need to keep in mind that this move up is very likely a correction to this move down. So pay very, very, very close attention to your Fibonacci retracement levels. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame, we are closing pretty high above the 38%, so it probably is going to go up to at least the 50% at this point. So I definitely would still be looking for longs. I think that there's a good chance that it will go up to at least the 50%. But if it goes to that 50% and then breaks structure to the downside, I would definitely get back on the short train. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, this kind of looks like a little bit of a correction right here to me. Kind of looks like this is possibly a wave A. This is like a wave B right here. We might already be in a wave C. So if you see 3 waves down, you see impulsive up, kind of like this right here. 1, 2, 3 down, impulsive up. 1, 2, 3 down, impulsive up. 1, 2, 3 down, impulsive up. Then that's exactly what I would be waiting for another entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. As long as it doesn't break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, I am definitely still looking for longs on like the 1 hour time frame range. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.